Hey, what's up, everybody? Thanks for checking into my very first YouTube video. I'm super excited. My name's Ryan, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a windowsill herb garden. Let's go ahead and get started. The money tree I just got, you can see some good light and some of my succulents. Look at that. So this is how the packaging came. It's by Ferry Moore. So it looks since 1856. So it looks like it's a pretty reputable brand. You can kind of see the packaging is very simple and has the instructions here. So what was really cool about this is when you take this off, it has these four containers that it comes with. It comes with 3 packets of seeds like those other one. Like, so remember, this is the parsley, the chives, the cilantro, the oregano. I was looking at another YouTube video earlier and it said there was only like 2 or 3 seeds in this. So I kind of got a little excited and I kind of jumped the gun. And on the pellets, the instructions say to use all 4 pellets into like a big bucket and you put 1.5 cups of warm water. And I ended up probably using about 2.5 cups, I would say. It actually worked out well. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna write the names of all the herbs, just so that way I won't get confused, okay? All right, so here you can see the names of the herbs, and I went ahead and I filled them up probably about halfway. You can see into the light right there. They're about halfway or so. Um, so the next thing I'm going to be looking at is these seeds. So this is what the chive seeds look like. I'll kind of zoom in a little bit. You can kind of see they're like super small black. Looks quite a bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to drop them all right in there. And I'm going to drop all the seeds in there, so I'll show you guys all the different ones. And you can see the cilantro seeds are a lot different. They're a really rich golden color. They look like little seeds. Really awesome. I don't know if I should put all of these in there. I'm going to probably go ahead and just put about half in or so, just to see. I'm going to save some of these other ones just because it's a lot. And actually, I'm just going to go ahead and put all of them in there, see how all of them germinate and all that. So these are the oregano seeds. They're so small. Got to be very careful when you're putting these into the pot. Try to get it as close as in the center as you can. And last but not least, these are the parsley seeds. You can kind of see they have a little curve to them. They look a little dry. They have a beautiful little color. Oh, almost runaway parsley seed. There you go. So again, I'm just going to drop them in like the other ones. So now you can kind of see the parsley seeds are in there. Remember the oregano seeds were super small, so you can kind of see them right there a little bit. And then of course the cilantro and then the chives. Chives are kind of hard to see too. You can kind of see the little specks. All right, so here's what the pots look like when they all have the soil. I just put it on top. I used a spoon earlier when I was breaking it up, so after I just kind of like got the spoon and just kind of like tapped it in nice. I'm gonna go ahead and water these. So here's the final product, how it looks on the windowsill. I'm very happy with the seeds and how simple and easy it was as a beginner. You can kind of see it from out here. It looks great. Thanks everyone for watching. I'm going to make another video whenever I start to see some growth, so be on the lookout.